In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a viewer in Monday.com. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open Monday.com in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where you want this person to have access. If you have multiple workspaces or accounts, double-check you're in the right place before you move on, so you don't accidentally invite someone to the wrong environment. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see an invite icon that looks like a little person with a plus sign next to it. This is a quick way to invite new people into your account. If you don't see that icon for any reason, you can also access the invitation options from the Users section, which is usually found in the bottom left sidebar. Clicking either the invite icon or the Users icon will take you to the area where you can manage and invite people. After you click into that, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. Go ahead and enter the email of the person you want to add as a viewer. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling here because if there's a typo, the invitation won't reach them. If you're inviting several people, you can usually paste multiple email addresses, separated by a comma or space, depending on your setup, but for now, we'll just focus on adding one viewer. Next, you'll need to choose the user type. This is an important step. Look for the option that lets you select the role or permission level for this new person and choose Viewer. A viewer is someone who can see boards and information but can't make changes, move items around, or update content. This is great for stakeholders, clients, or team members who only need to monitor progress without editing anything. Taking a moment to choose the correct role helps protect your data and keeps your workflows organized. Once you've selected Viewer as the user type, you're ready to send the invitation. Click the Invite button to confirm. Monday.com will send an email to that address with instructions on how to join your account as a viewer. You may want to let the person know to check their inbox and their spam or promotions folder just in case the email doesn't appear right away. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a viewer in Monday.com.